Yes.
All right. So what is this system you made here? What is this?
This is a temperature control system.
Okay, very good. And then what part of this lets us know the temperature? Can you show us which part?
This one?
Yeah, that's the OLED. And where does the temperature data come from? From I think it's from this thermometer, right?
Yeah.
And then that data is displayed here. So what temperature is it right now?
It's 25 degrees.
25 degrees, right? And so the whole idea of this system is when the temperature gets warmer, the fan will turn on, right?
Yeah.
So what have you set it to now? Right now it's 25. What temperature do we need it to be for the fan to turn on? You set it to, so the fan is going to turn on when it gets to what temperature? What temperature will it switch on at?
22.
22. Oh, so it's not on right now, right? Because it's already 25. So can we turn it on?
Yeah.
Can you okay, wow, it's on. Now, could you maybe could you change it to, because we just see it's on right now because it's warmer today than 23. Could you make it higher? Like make the temp, like right now it's 25. Can you change it to 26?
Yes.
So it'll turn on when it's 26. Okay, so but it's still on.
I have to.
Maybe reset it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let's try raising the temperature right now. It's 25, and now you have it set so that it will turn on at 26, right? Okay. So let's put this heating packet on and see if we can raise the temperature to 26, and see if it'll turn on automatically. The humidity is rising. Oh, it's 26 now. So should it be on? Still not on. There we go. It was off. Okay, so now it's 27, and according to your code, that means the fan is on, right? So it's working. Very good. So this is supposed to simulate like a air conditioning system we might have in our house. And when we leave, right, we want to turn it off to save energy. So how can we turn the system off completely? Press the bar instead of the joystick, right?
Yeah.
Because we've been having trouble with the joystick where if we press it again, it doesn't work. So very, very nice solution there. Yeah, I think maybe it's better just not to use the joystick and to use the space bar instead. Very smart. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay, are you ready? All right. So what is this system here?
This is a temperature control system.
Okay, and how do we know what temperature it is? How can we see that? Where do we see that? Where's the temperature? How do we know the temperature? What temperature is it right now? Yeah, the thermometer, and then what's this?
25.
Yeah, 25, and we see that on the OLED screen, right?
Yes.
So is the system on right now? Is on, right?
Yes.
And what temperature will the fan switch on? Because this is what we're focused on here is the fan, right? What temperature will it make the fan switch on? Right now it's 25. It's not very hot, right?
Yes.
I think it's hotter.
26.
26. Okay. So let's see if we can raise the temperature to 26 with this hand warming packet. Is it on? Yeah, it's just waiting for it to raise, the temperature to raise, right? Oh, it's 26 now. Oh, okay, okay, yeah. So it does seem to be working. Very good. And what happened here? The RGB LEDs, you turn those on, right? What did you make them do? When the temperature is 26,
Red.
Yeah, they turn red, right? Okay. So the idea of this is to save energy, right? So like in our house, when we are going out, maybe going to school or something, we want to turn the whole thing off. How can you switch the whole system off? By pressing the space bar, right?
Yes.
And then that turns the whole thing off. Very good. Does it switch on like that as well? No, I think we have to use the joystick to switch it on, but, right? Yeah, okay. So we switch it on with the joystick and switch it off with the space bar, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's a good solution because we have problems switching it off with the joystick. So yeah, very, very nice. Okay, you made a good system. Good job.
Yeah, thanks.
So what is this?
This is temperature control system.
Very good. And I can see that it is, oh, great, you have a little display here. So this tells us that the system is off, right?
Yes.
And how do we turn it on?
We push the joystick down.
Very good. And now it's on standby. Very good. Wow, very good. You even have the status of standby. So it's on standby. That means it's detecting the temperature right now.
Yes.
But it's not, the fan isn't on. What temperature will cause it to turn on?
When it's 27
degrees. Okay, so right now, what's the temperature?
25.
Okay, so let's see if we can raise the temperature by putting this hand warmer directly on the thermometer. Oh, I can see the humidity is rising, but not the temperature. Oh, it's 26. Okay, so just one more degree and it should turn on. Takes a little while. Oh, there we go. Wow, it's working. Very good. And you even have the display here. Now, before it was on standby, and now it's on. That's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted and what I wrote in the assignment description. So nobody else has done that, has displayed that information on the OLED screen. So you did a really good job. Very good. So now it was on standby, and now it's activated, right? Because the temperature is high enough to turn the fan to cool us down.
Yeah.
Now, the whole idea of this system is to save energy, right? So if we're leaving the house, assuming this is like an AC, we want to turn it off. How can we turn the whole system off? If we're just leaving the house, we're not going to be in anymore.
Push the joystick again.
May I try that?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, very good. Yes, now it's switched to off. Wow, I think this is maybe the best one I've seen so far. Really, really good. Yeah, it's great that you display the status information on the OLED screen. Nobody else has done that so far. Really, really good. So, hi, could you show us what is this system here? What do we call this?
Temperature control system.
Yeah, right. So it's supposed to simulate like the AC or the air conditioner in our house, right? Yes. So is it on right now?
No.
Okay, can you turn it on, please? Okay, and we have the OLED screen here. What does this show us?
It's 27 degrees.
Yeah, it shows us the temperature, right?
Yes.
And I see that the fan is already on.
Yes.
So you must have some setting, right, that has been triggered because the temperature you have it set to is greater than 25, right?
Yes.
So.
And it won't work.
Oh, the light's on. But where's the OLED screen? What is this system here?
Temperature control system.
Very good. And is it on right now?
No.
Can you please switch it on? How do we switch it on? Oh, okay. So the LED matrix here shows us that it's on, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Oh, so I see that the fan is already on. So the way it works is that it will turn the fan on when the temperature reaches a certain degree, right? What degree, what temperature does the fan turn on at?
Bigger than 22.
Okay, right now, what's the temperature?
27.
Right. So for this project, we want to show that it turns on automatically when the temperature gets higher, right? So could you just temporarily change it to turn on when it gets to 28 so we can use the warming packet and so raise the temperature to 28 and see if it will turn on.
Yeah.
But we know because the temperature
yes.
is not reached 28.
Yes. Really.
But right now it's 26. Or maybe we should change it to 27 when it reaches 27. Hello, get warmer. Warmer, warmer, warmer. Or is it not working? It's still staying the same. Oh, okay. So now it's working. We had a little problem there. So it's 30 degrees now, and the fan has turned on automatically. So that's basically what we want, right? We want the temperature. We only want to turn the fan on when it gets warm enough that we need it. But what happens if we're leaving the house? Let's say this is like our AC system, and we want to go out. We want to save energy. How can we turn the whole system off? How can we turn it off? How can we shut the whole thing down? So we just press in the joystick.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Very good. Okay. Nice work. Yeah. Very nice.
This is the temperature control system.
Okay. And is it on right now?
No.
It's activated, right? Because we can see the temperature. What temperature is it now?
26 degrees.
Yeah, and we see that on the OLED screen. Now, you have in your code, you have it set to turn on the fan when the temperature reaches a certain degree. How high does it need to be for the fan to turn on?
I write the 26 just bigger than.
Oh, okay. So if the temperature is greater than 26. Yeah. So let's see if we can make it turn on. Can we raise it? When it gets to 27, it should turn on, right? I can see. Oh, it's changing, but 26.
Need to higher.
Okay. Oh, okay. It's 27 now, but I don't see it turn on.
I need to press it.
Yeah. Oh, so now the system is on. Okay, so it wasn't on before, right?
Yeah.
It wasn't on before. Okay, so now it seems to be working. But the other part of this is that if we want to leave the house, we want to save energy. How can we turn the whole system off again?
Just press this button.
Yeah. Okay, and it turned off. Okay, so very nice. Yeah, you could have done more with the RGB lights or the OLED, but you have all the basic parts of the system working. So good job. What is this? Can you describe the system?
This is temperature control system.
Yeah, so basically like a AC, like an air conditioner we might have in our house. I see that the fan is already on, right? So you have the thermometer detects the temperature. And where do we see that? Where can we see the temperature? On the OLED screen, right?
Yes.
What's the temperature right now?
25 degrees.
Right. So your system turns the fan on when the temperature reaches what temperature? What degree?
10.
10. Wow, but it's okay. I don't think we need to turn on the fan at 10. That's like it's always going to be on. It never gets lower than 10 in Tainan. So can you change the system so that we can test if it actually works? Okay, so now I see that the fan is off, right? Because it's 25 now. Let's see if we can raise the temperature to 26 and see if it can turn on by itself. I notice your code says on 0. So is it it's 27 now? Okay, so the packet warmed it up, and now the fan is on. Very good. So you have it set now. So whenever it's over 26, it'll turn on. It's 28 now. Wow, it's getting even warmer. So the whole idea of this system is to save energy, right? How can we turn the whole system off if we're leaving the house?
We put the joystick down.
So it's on right now. How can we turn it off?
We put the joystick down.
Press the joystick down. Yeah, can you show us that? Okay, very good. And now it's off, and we have the RGB lights lighting up as blue. What does that show us? It shows us that it's off, right?
Yes.
Okay, very nice. Is it on? Okay, so what is this system here?
This is the system like air conditioner.
Yeah, very good. Exactly right. It's like a temperature control system, and it'll turn on the fan automatically when the temperature reaches a certain degree, right? What do you have it set to now? Right now, what is the temperature right now?
24.
And the fan should turn on when it reaches what?
25.
25. Okay. So let's see if that works. Let's use this hand warming packet and see if we can get it to go to 25. Yeah, turn it on first. So it's on, but it's not reached 25 yet. It should turn on automatically once it reaches 25. Yeah, there we go. Very, very nice. Okay, so now the fan is on, cooling down our house because the temperatures reach 25.
Yeah.
So we also want to save energy maybe. So if we're leaving the house, We want to save energy. How can we turn the whole system off?
You push the joysticks down.
Yeah, very good. And then the whole thing is off. And then the RGB lights, I see you changed it to blue. So blue means that the system is
Cool down.
yeah, is off, right? Is on standby. Yeah. Okay. Very, very nice work. All right. So this is our temperature control system, right?
Yeah.
Can you show us where do we see the temperature? What part of this board indicates the temperature to us?
OLED screen.
Yeah, OLED screen. And I don't see it now. Can you turn it on for us so I can see? Temperature right now is
25.
25, right? And the system is going to turn on. The fan is going to turn on when it reaches a certain temperature, right? What do you have it set to? When will the fan turn on? What degree? What temperature?
20.
20, but it's 25 right now, so it should be on, right? Or can you turn the system on? Okay, so it is working now, but we want to show that it turns on automatically when we raise the temperature. So how about you change the variable? Let's make it like 26, maybe. Okay, and then it should turn off, right? Okay, so it is on now, and it says it's 26 actually.
Yeah.
But maybe if it's higher than 26, right? Oh, I see. Yeah, you have it set to if it's higher than 26. So let's see if we can raise the temperature with this packet. Hotter, hotter, hotter. It's a little slow. I think this packet isn't very warm anymore.
So.
Okay.